Hello everyone, I am Rishabh Raj and my roll number is 20IM30015. This is my DIY assignment 5 in which we have to assemble and deassemble a wall clock. So here is the wall clock. As you can see, it is in proper running condition. So now we will open it, assemble it as follows. Okay, so now I am loosening the screws. As you can see, it is the first part of the disassembly. There are 4 screws and I am loosening it one by one. This is the last screw and it is opened, as you can see. So now we have opened all the screws. So after removing all 4 screws, now we are removing the back part, as you can see. And in order to open this part, first we have to remove the battery. So I am removing the battery, as you can see. Now to open this part, we have to first remove the glass from the front side. So now I will remove the glass from the front side and the second, minute and hour hand. Now I am removing the glass, as you can see, from the front part. First I have loosened the screw and then removed this. Now I have removed the glass also. Now I will remove the second hand, minute hand and the hour hand. As you can see, I have removed the second hand, and I have also removed the minute hand. Now it's time for the hour hand. So I have removed all 3. Now we will again go on the back side. So now, as you can see, I am removing its back part. Here you can see I have removed it. Now as you can see, I am opening it. Here it contains copper wire. There are three gears, basically one for the minute hand, one for the hour hand and one for the second hand. These gears are made of nylon. There is a motherboard inside it, which I cannot show, and these are basically the things on which the watch runs. Now as you can see, I am beginning the assembly. So first we have to close this box like this. Now I will have to put it as it was earlier. So first then a bit rotate it to fix it like this. Now it is fixed. So now we are going to fix the hour hand, second hand and minute hand. So first I am fixing the hour hand. There is nothing complex about it. We just have to simply take it and put it as it was. Now finally the second hand, and as you can see, I have fixed all 3. Now we will go to the back side and fix the box as it was. So here is the box. Now again we have to tighten the screws from where we have loosened it. So let me fix the box first. So now I am picking up the screws. As you can see, tightening the first screw. Now the second one. Now the third one. And finally it's time for the final one. Now we'll put in the battery. As you can see, now I am putting the battery. Now we'll fix the glass on the front side and hopefully it will work like it did. Now as you can see, after properly assembling all the parts, the watch is now again working properly. Now I will fix the glass carefully, and after doing it, now I will fix this part. And now as you can see, our watch is as it was before and our assembling disassembling video is successful. So that's all. Thank you.